Howdy, y'all. Welcome to In the Know with Lady Contessa. Around here, I take the things people overlook, confuse, or twist and make them plain. Before 1964, if you were black in America, you could legally be told you can't eat here, you can't stay here, you can't work here, you can't sit here. Segregation wasn't just a practice, it was the law of the land. The Civil Rights Act of 1964 changed that. It outlawed segregation in restaurants, hotels, theaters, and other public spaces. It banned discrimination in the workplace and created the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission to hold employers accountable. And it gave the federal government power to enforce school desegregation, making sure states could no longer drag their feet and ignored court rulings. It also laid the foundation for other protections like the Voting Rights Act of 1965 and the Fair Housing Act of 1968. In other words, this law was a turning point that pushed open doors that had been locked for centuries. Now, did racism disappear overnight? No, but the Civil Rights Act tore down the legal walls of second-class citizenship. Without it, the freedoms many take for granted today, sitting at any lunch counter, applying for any job, sending your child to any school, or voting without impossible barriers may not exist. And every time those protections are challenged, we have to remember what's at stake. That's why the Civil Rights Act still matters. It's not just history. It's the reason you can walk through the front door today, not the back. That's today's lesson. Now you are in the know. I am Lady Contessa. And until next time, ta-ta. And let me add this. If anyone tries to say the Civil Rights Act of 1964 was dangerous to another race, understand what they are saying. They don't want you to have rights, period. And that speaks louder than anything else.